if you're like me, you use the API Master Test Kit to check on your fish tank's water parameters to ensure everything is going fine. But that also means you gotta shake the ever-loving crap out of these bottles until your arm's about to fall off in order to ensure that you get accurate test results. So I thought, there's gotta be a better way. So I went into my AutoCAD and designed something that I think is gonna fix that right up. What's the one thing we know shakes constantly that every man has? A frickin' jigsaw, right? So it's simple as this. We take the old blade out. We slide the replacement, which is this thing that I have created that is oh so difficult to get in with one hand, but yeah, I've did it once before. There we go. Alright, so now it's in. This thing holds the bottle. Great. So all we got to do is take our bottle, ammonia, nitrate, whatever the case may be, put it on the neck, around the neck where it's got a little bit clamping force, and then shazam! Yeah, it works. And then just take your bottle out and do that test you were trying to get around to doing.